okayfm 101.7.
Honorable Alhaji Inusah Fuseini, former MP for Tamale Central, former Minister, Roads and Highways. Na omunim no Tamale de enam se wo kire nipa bebre ade enti no omu friend teacher Inusah. Teacher Inusah, memo ache.
Bojo so na ponte zan.
Boko na oso
Me huye. Ramadan Karim.
Barka kare.
Ramadan so kasa Ramadan Karim.
Na masama kam Ramadan Karim ni bi okay. Karim means peace, me boa.
Karim
achedie. Okay, achedie. Nkofo kwa ese omo di esikyire ni ba ma me de ya ade no bi no omo mfa mai.
No, nyame yakupon achedie go wuso in Ramadan.
Ami.
Man yakupon kwa ndi onno ba ma achedie no. Ami.
Me kai se komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na sabre no na oye ya okọ eyi maka ekọ perform hajj no anase umra na otena eyi ponkoso afunu na odiye na oye wi a so kan hadith ahodo no omo se na owobo kese bi asinifie animu na obetena so oye bibia wi a including the eyi na Ramadan na waka Allahu Akbar imprensa ansana nkomo bia oni obia so edi na ye mayenua muslimfo nyina Ramadan Karim papa maba nchen a ene me hu story bi a ano odin kakra na wo so waye former minister for roads and highways bi musa ofanko Insawam highway na omoye no contractor no abimu ni se eniama impede progress of work no baako say there have been so many legal suits omo dan wo na we affected no na ni ebusa se mu ye be kwan a wo betie de se okofo tai no kwa etua omo ka na ya na e de efa hye be so
simple road reservation nti yentimin ye kwan bebia ekwan ni ho nti Ghana before planning schemes ni nyina were road reservations nti wutimi hu se uti a newly developed area almost se dino a won se dino ba at a point in time you will see the road network because a road reservation obia surveyors no be demarcate ama ekwenu na se ekwenu wo ho na omun sisia you will find people going to build on the reservation so ekwenu nie bebre yet sun ye din Ghana for yan so ye din and you will find many such cases say yeah road reservation to hono obi chinchina bako sifie wo ho o confront no say ono no ton na sase on ehimfu no ton man. So the first thing you must understand ene yentie fo nyina ne say uba to asasia bomodin na ko lands commission no ko ye search ehun say sa asase no ampa aye asase misa ubako akoto road reservation no na se road reservation no se kwenu wo ho a no omunya a time will come when the road will be developed because population no expanding na economy so expanding and a time will come where that road will become necessary for convenience and comfort of road users. In the Umbaye, say, Ofonko Amasaman Kwanye. At the white chair. I remember in 1984, around that time, no, So we free Tamale ba Accra na lot of phone say omon dodge police barrier of barrier say own barrier bi wo. There was an old barrier. Can there no person on dodge fasa kwan no e kopie wo Amasaman of onko ho na omo akọ. So omo ye kwenu, if the road is built or is going to be built, the omo will fear will kwenu, so an inventory will be taken. Inventory we will fear say yeah a crasia a fumu ho we will a chalet and idea omo take inventory idea de e wo kwenu so nyina. Na omo the inventory no akọ lands commission for her say omo assess the amount of money involved. Now before omo the inventory no bako ho, the owners of the property they are called claimants. Remember, put a claim, say, oh, me property wo. Do a year, me pay na miss Drea. Every year, pay no, do you know to me, mommy, 10 cities and not 20 cities. And which you go, me nye pay bio, me 20 cities no, ako. In fact, well, bank mpo at the new criteria a can home. Say, na obitra ho, a coin so a tongue a duania. Ana all ye trading. Na mo peniso no ti ho ye trading na. So mo pese mo ye kwenu. You would disrupt the business no, and that might lead to poverty. Inti well-bound force, well-bound projects no, they've added that as a component. Say oh now bisti ho ye the jumdi juma. Na wo pese mo ye kwenu. You have to find a way to compensate that person no. It is a claimant in our bar, no more assess. And then, if there are
one, I didn't pay what now.
Oh, yes, say, or the call her, or call her, one pamno. One pamno. Or no, didn't call a pair, cotiho. But one pamno. They were established business, and they were goodwill. Nipper free. Far and near Ebano ever did you any. When your boots are trading place no, what put you into poverty? You get the world bank thinking. okayfm. So I did the Emma payment of compensation and rival claimants. Would be say, oh, a day ye papa no see ye. I was your opinion there or your name for the compensation, no, and anybody or your name for the compensation no, is not the rightful person to be paid compensation. In Ministry of Roads and Highways, but I say, then the Monko solve that problem no, before compensation can be paid. Compensation no war, but yet mean Emma. Somebody who is not the rightful claimant. And that might lead them to court. And so these are the issues that make compensation payments delay. These are some of the issues. Another issue is the kind of doors one. I buy one to at a go into a kakra. So the payment of the compensation might be in phases. Okay? Say some people are there, they are obstinate. Two. This is a compensation. Two free ho. This is a compensation. And that might hamper the development of the road. Because one to forcefully eject that person. So this is also court. Say, oh, we ojina kwan so na ye pese ye kwan no or say on call because you are not compensation. But compensation, you are calculated. Second near, but a war, the Minister of Finance, to pay the compensation. And the court can direct say, oh, Munko demolish it. Moment time now on park and demolish it because his interest in the land, no, his interest in the property, no, have been converted into monetary payments. And these are procedures. And the construction of the roads.
Now, when we bet me in Jante construction.
No, you can't injunct the government in the construction, in the delivery of public service.
Oh, okay.
No. Say I buy no you want to say the yen man of war. Or including the one who has interest in the property. So say also super fast. And pregnant women, sick people, have a first ambulance before so a hospital. They will have to use the road. Car owners, assassin, so how do you injunct a government from delivering a public service? So, it don't go to the name. I mean, it don't go. It's not the property of a person. It's not private property. It's public property. Okay, so the interest what you will do is the interest is converted to monetary payment, and the monetary payment, is what the Minister of Finance will pay to you as compensation for the destruction of your private property for public good.
Other way, say me van say, sa Franco Pokuase road. Obi ton bi maame e kwan ho. Thinking say I did that ben e kwan be ba fa ha.
Yes.
And e kwan be fa ha. Enu no sa bre ya o mabubu mi dan na gu no. Ana me property na gu no. Me nko one land owners no wa na me nko hinfa.
No. Say o property no document.
Your documents, yeah.
Documents. Who documents are now registered with documents? No. Then you only put a claim on. You just put a claim to the Minister of Roads and Highways.
Oh, okay.
You don't go to the landowners.
But me say be kwana. Yeah, one more a year inventory of properties be affected. No more we are no more cost. Now woman the ombetuama individual bia. Sana yaneti.
Individual, but the individuals must put in a claim. And
okay.
To property for her, and then the property is now going to be subject to demolition because of the coin. Then you put an application. Say,
okay.
me fee ni, me property ni, me kiosk ni, na say a coin no assign. And then because omo take inventory no, omo capture sa item no, then say obia mbakase on the kiosk no, and eye won kwa. Then after the inventory no and assessment no, sika de ombatua ma no, they then pay you to you.
Okay.
okayfm 101.7